Hi, it's Steve from Bosch. I'm here with the guys from Toolstop to look at the Bosch Professional GHO 12V 20 planer. It's on the 12 volt platform. Usual Bosch single blaze performance with the high speed rotation to give a great finish. With a 52mm wide cut with up to 2mm depth, that's just been using the knob on the front, and for maximum depth the extra bit there, and rebase up to 17mm. Extra blade storage on the back for your spare blade, and a brushless motor. GHO 12V 20 planer.